Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. First of all, this feature hasn't been rolled out universally, but many expect it will be expanded to all users in the months and years ahead. Currently, it's only available to users over the age of 16 with fewer than 5,000 followers. The latter restriction is likely due to the difficulty of managing a list of profile views over a certain length, and accounts with more followers would have extensive lists. If the feature is available to you, it's super easy to use. Unlike the verification process, which can be a little tricky, this is a one-click solution. You'll see a new eye icon has appeared on your TikTok profile in the top right corner. Click on the eye and you'll be given the option of turning the features on. Once you have clicking on the eye again, we'll show you a list of profile views in the list 30 days. Or tap at the bottom profile and you will see the list of viewers. Just be aware that while nobody else can see who viewed your profile but you, by activating the feature, you're consenting to allow others to see when you've viewed your profile. Before you panic that competitors know you've been checking out their profiles, don't worry. This is a feature you have to manually opt in, so unless you've clicked that eye icon and agreed to it, nobody knows when you've been snooping. You can also turn it off anytime you like. To switch it off, click the hamburger menu in your settings, select settings, then tap on privacy. Scroll down and tap on profile views or profile view history. You may be wondering at this point why you would want to know who has been viewing your profile. Aside from the curiosity factor, it offers you a great way to connect with other creators and boost your interactions. This is particularly important when your account is in its infancy and your organic reach is limited. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.